Good morning, students. Yesterday, I discussed the source of finance. And there I told you what do you mean by source and what do you mean by finance. I had given you the introduction about this chapter by explaining you the meaning of source and the meaning of finance. Now today, I am going to again once more I want to explain you what do you mean by the source. I have written it here, you can see. Source of finance refer to the different ways a business can obtain money. Like yesterday I told you, as a student, you also required money for your day-to-day work, for some new work, whatsoever might be. So you are also finding the sources from where you are going to get the money. On the other hand, any business organizations, they also wants to find out the sources from where they are going to get the money. So I explain you here, written here. Now then I discuss about what do you mean by the capital market. I told you one place what do you mean by the market and what is capital market. Yesterday I explained you once more, just I have written it here for your note. Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bond. It is a financial market. Like yesterday I told you what is a market. Market is a place where basically buying and sellings of commodities or goods are being taken place. In general, what do we know about the market? But in place of capital market, they are also buying and selling is been. That means what? Buying and selling is also been taken place. Buying and selling of what? Buying and selling of securities. Okay, that is what is called capital market, or this market also been said financial market. Now, I am going to discuss few functions of capital market. There are so many functions are there in the capital market. Today, I am only going to discuss the four functions of capital market. Remaining functions will be discussed tomorrow. Now, first function, promotion of thrift. Now here two words are there. One is promotion and the other is called thrift. First you must know the meaning of the word thrift. If you know the meaning of the word thrift, it will be very easy for you to explain this particular point, because in the examination it may ask you explain any five functions of capital marketing. In that case, you have to write these subheadings, and after writing these subheadings, each subheadings you have to write or explain one or two sentences about these subheadings in your own words. Okay? So first thing, promotion of thrift. So if you know the meaning of promotion and if you know the meaning of thrift, easily you will be able to explain it in your own language. Now what do you mean by the thrift? Thrift means saving money for the future. Saving money for the future. Now, what do you mean by the promotion? Promotion means what? Promotion. You know the meaning of promotion. Today, you are in the lower post. Tomorrow, you are going into the higher post. That is basically called the promotion. Here also, what is happening here? That you are saving promotion. They are giving you. This year, you must have saved 500 rupees. To next year, you must be saving 1000 rupees. So, they are telling you the different ways and means. So, here, promotion of thrift. So, you must know the meaning of promotion. Basically, what is the meaning of promotion? This promotion here means they inspire the people to save money by offering what? Incentives in the form of attractive rates of interest. What the capital marketing is doing? Capital marketing motivating the investor to invest the money. For what purpose? Because they provide good rate of interest. All right, they inspire the people to save money by offering what? Incentive in the form of attractive rates. So you know the meaning of promotion, you know the meaning of thrift. Thrift means saving money for the future. Why you are saving the money for the future? Because capital market, what they do? They inspire the people to save money By offering what? Incentives in the form of attractive rates of interest and dividend. Okay, that is why people are interested to save it for future. Second point, investment avenue, very important. See, understand the meaning, brother. Very, very easy if you understand the meaning. Investment, you know the meaning of investment? You are going to invest the money. Now, what is the meaning of avenue? You must have learned the meaning of avenue in your English literature. What the avenue basically means? Avenue means basically broad roads. So what investment avenue means? Now this investment avenue means the capital market provide, what they provide? They are providing the people, what they are providing? They are providing the different way, how different roads, different ways, how you are going to invest your money. They are going to the broad road. किस में इन्वेस्ट करना है, इस किस में इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद आपको ज़्यादा फायदा मिलेगा. दैट इज व्हाट who is showing the capital market is going to give you the idea. So you must know the meaning of avenue. Avenue means a broad road. So what the capital market is showing? Basically capital market is providing, what they are providing? They are providing profitable investment where you are going to do. So they are showing you the road, they are showing you the ways where you are going to invest your money for more and more profit. This is also the function of the capital market. Next coming, availability of capital. What do you mean the availability of capital? So capital market, what they are doing it? Capital market enable who? To a borrower, those who are going to borrow the capital for their business, enable the borrower to obtain or needed funds at the reasonable cost. So what they are doing? Availability of capital means if you go to the capital market, any business organization, they need the capital to develop their business, they need the capital to improve their business. So what the capital market is doing? Capital market is providing them the capital in low interest rate or other by providing easily by providing other facilities. And next coming liquidity. What do you mean by liquidity? Like you are having a building. Now if you sell the building and you are getting the money, that is what is called here liquidity. So what they do? Any investor, like I invested my money in the form of share. When I invested my money in the form of share, what I can do? If I go to the capital market, I just go and sell my share. As and when I will sell my share, I am going to get a cash in hand. That is why it is called liquidity. So investor can sell their securities any time, as and when they want, or they can convert their securities into cash. That is what is called liquidity. So what I told you today? Today I told you the meaning of source of finance. Then I discuss what is the meaning of capital market. Then I discuss 4 functions of capital markets. Once more I am coming the first function, promotion of thrift. What do you know thrift? Thrift means saving money for the future. So capital market is promoting the people to save money in different way for the future to get the benefit. Second thing, investment avenue. When you are interested to invest, you may not be knowing where you are supposed to invest the money to get more benefit. So what the capital market is doing? Capital marketing showing you the broad road, broad way where you should invest the money to get more benefit for the future. Next I told you availability of capital. Any business organization, they require the capital. Without the capital, the business firm cannot develop their business, cannot modify their business. To develop or modify the business, they require the capital. So if they go to the capital market, easily they can get the capital from there. They can collect the capital from there by selling their shares or other form. So it is always available there. And last thing is liquidity. What do you mean by liquidity? Any investors, if they invest the money, okay, by buying shares or debenture or anything, easily they can go to the capital market and there they can sell those certificates or those shares and after selling those shares, they can get the cash back immediately. That is why it is called liquidity. So capital market convert those certificates or the securities in the form of cash. So these are the four functions. Okay, thank you.